I love craft supplies and little crafty projects. And when I saw this on Amazon, the company was kind enough to send me a sample so that I could share it with everybody. So I'm opening this up for the first time and I cannot wait to see what's in here. Let's see, it comes in this little box, which is perfect. And, ooh, these are super shiny gems, iridescent, clear. And look at these. We have a moon. Actually, I should probably take these out. I'm afraid I'm going to misplace them, or I'm going to drop them. So there's a Christmas tree, a moon, snowflake, like a Celtic dot, or a Celtic cross, and a tree. That's really nice. Ooh, look at this. Comes in between these, so I'm guessing that you lay that out so that you can work with everything. Oh my gosh, these are big. Now there's an owl, a butterfly. Looks like 2 butterflies and a hummingbird. Ooh, I will definitely be making a second video when I get ready to use these. Here are some large rings. I want to make something to hang on my rear view mirror. And I also want to make something to hang on my shepherd's hooks outside. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. And these have some weight to them. I'm thinking these, yeah, these are definitely glass. These are not plastic. These, ooh, no, these might be glass too. These are very, very nice. Very pretty. And actually, this is probably to polish up the gems once you get it put together, because I can see my fingerprints on them. And there's, oh, look at that one. That one has a teardrop in the center. Beautiful. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my goodness. This has all the findings and everything that you need. Like, it has the T-pins, the jump rings. Oh my goodness. It even has the wire cutters. And these are perfect, not just for making this project, but for making lots of other projects. These wire cutters are really good. I love needle nose wire cutters, and these are small. And then inside here there are silver leaves, there are shamrocks, feathers, there are some chains, there are some colored beads. We have more iridescent beads. And then we have these that are like, I think these might be called prism shaped. Ooh, a gold ring. That one is cool. Ooh, look at that one. That is really neat. So I cannot wait to show these to my granddaughter tonight and pick out a project that we want to make. But that is a really nice kit and very nicely organized. So I cannot wait to get started on a project.